Hi. Let's learn about levies and how they work. A levy is the legal seizure of property to satisfy an outstanding debt. For example, if you fail to pay your taxes, the IRS may put a levy on your tax refund or property, like your bank account or rental income. Another example is a bank levy, which freezes your accounts until you repay the debt you owe to a creditor. Levies can be exercised by a tax authority, like the IRS, or a bank. For instance, the IRS can levy an individual's property, such as cash, a house, or a car, to satisfy a tax debt. A bank levy is issued by a court to freeze a debtor's accounts until the debt is repaid. A green levy is a tax on greenhouse gases or other sources of pollution. Carbon taxes are a common type of green levy, intended to encourage environmentally friendly behaviors by raising the costs of polluting businesses. For example, some local governments have increased the price of plastic shopping bags to reduce plastic waste. To avoid levies, taxpayers should file their returns on time and pay taxes when they are due. Individuals can also request an extension or contact the IRS to arrange installment payments. It's essential to respond promptly if you receive a final notice from the IRS to avoid levies. Levies are a way for a taxing authority or a bank to seize property for an unpaid debt. Property seized in a levy includes cash, cars, houses, and future wages. A levy is different from a lien, which only represents a claim used as security for the debt. Garnishment is another process where a court orders an employer to move part of an individual's salary to a creditor. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Levies are the legal means by which a taxing authority or a bank can seize property for the debt. 2. Property seized in a levy includes cash, cars, houses, and future wages. 3. A levy differs from a lien because a levy takes the property to satisfy the tax debt, whereas a lien is a claim used as security for the tax debt. 4. A garnishment is where a court orders an employer to direct part of an individual's salary to a creditor. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.